Hello everyone. In this video, we will start a new chapter, chapter 3, okay, which is about properties of pure substance. Well, you may wonder why we would suddenly talk about another topic. Well, in chapter 2, we have introduced some of the concepts about energy analysis, talking about mechanical efficiencies as well as other kinds of efficiencies. But this chapter is important because it lays a foundation of the problem-solving techniques in the subsequent chapters. Okay, from chapter 4 to chapter 7, we will use a property table very often. Okay, let me show you the property tables from the appendix of the textbook. Okay, this is my own copy of the property tables and charts. Okay, I intentionally tear out the appendix from the textbook for my easier reference. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of tables inside this list of property tables and charts. And in the later half of this chapter, I will talk about how can we find out the correct table for our property acquiring procedures. Okay, so forget it first. But before that, of course, we need to introduce pure substances. Okay, let's see the contents. Okay, first of all, we will talk about pure substances and also about the states. We will introduce a little bit about pure substances. And we will also talk about some characteristics of the phase change process in section 3.2. Section 3.3 is also an important section because those property diagrams, okay, here, are very important when we need to solve the problem involving phase change processes. Okay, without this property diagram, you would get no idea of how to solve the later problems. And in 3.4, we would focus on the property tables. Okay, we will talk about the things included in the property table. For example, some properties like internal energy, specific volume, etc. And 3.5, we will talk about equation of state. How can we use some simple equations to describe the state? But you may wonder why we also need the property tables. Well, as you can see, the equation of state would be extremely complex if we need to involve a lot of factors such as the intermolecular forces. So we need to rely on the property tables. Okay, so let's go to section 3.1.